Welcome to our guide on transforming your kitchen with a hidden cooker hood, where style meets functionality seamlessly. Imagine a kitchen where your extractor is invisible, but powerful, enhancing both aesthetics and performance. Let's start with cabinet integration, crafting a custom cabinet that envelops your cooker hood, maintaining sleek lines while ensuring effective ventilation. Next, consider downdraft extractors. These innovative devices rise from your countertop when in use and retreat, leaving your kitchen design unblemished when not needed. Alternatively, ceiling-mounted extractors offer an unobtrusive solution by blending flush with the ceiling, eliminating any visual disruption. For a touch of elegance, a false chimney breast can cleverly disguise ducting, serving as both a focal point and a functional element. Color matching is another subtle technique, painting the extractor to match your cabinetry or walls, allowing it to fade into the background effortlessly. And for ultimate integration, extractor hobs combine cooking and ventilation in one, streamlining your kitchen's appearance. Each of these methods ensures your kitchen remains a place of beauty and efficiency. For more expert advice and appliance solutions, don't forget to reach out to Top Appliance Repair Burnaby. Elevate your kitchen design today, blending the best of style and practicality.